Here's a 5-minute yoga video to start your day. When you wake up, start by stretching your arms over your head. And then you can also move your arms side to side, point and flex the feet. Yawn if that feels good too. Start by rotating your wrists, ankles, and then hug the knees into your chest. Feel the stretch on the back. Gently bring the knees over to the right side. Feel the stretch on the left side. And then switch side. Bring the knees to the left. Feel the stretch on the right side of the body. Hug the right knee into your chest, left leg straight. Bring it in as much as you can. Let go and then start to rotate the knee clockwise 3 times, counterclockwise 3 times, and then bring the right knee gently to the left side for a twist. Straighten the right leg this time and then hug the left knee into your chest. Rotate that left knee 3 times and then circle the other way 3 times. And then twist that left knee to the right side. And then from here, slowly come up to sit. And then reach your arms over your head, interlace your fingers, and move your arms side to side to feel the stretch on the side body. Let go of your hands, rock your head side to side, and then slowly rotate the head 2 times. Feel the stretch on the neck. Do it as slow as you can, and then go circle the other way. Slowly, bring your hands and knees down towards the bed and push your hips back towards your feet into your child's pose. Bring the head down and wiggle your hips side to side if that feels good to you. Come back to tabletop position, arching your back into cow, rounding your back into cat pose. Inhale to cow, exhale to cat. Inhale to cow, exhale to cat pose. Inhale to cow, exhale to cat pose. Inhale to cow, roll the shoulder back. Exhale back to child's pose and wiggle your hips side to side. Then come back to tabletop position. Start to circle the right knee around. Switch to the other leg. Circle the left knee around 3 times as well. And then move your hips back towards your feet. And then bring the right hand behind the head and start to twist your body towards the right side 3 times. Right hand down, left hand behind the head this time and twist towards the left side. Open the chest as much as you can to the left as you bring the elbow down. And then when you're done, you can rest first in your child's pose. Take a breath. And then slowly come up to sit with your legs straight in front of you, reaching towards your feet if it's possible. If not, wherever you can just reach. Bend the left knee in towards the side and then fold down towards the right leg. Straighten the left leg, bend the right knee this time and fold over to your left. Bring your feet together, open your knees wide and fold over to your legs and rock your body side to side. Start to cross your legs, and if it's possible for you to sit on a pillow, try to prop up your hips. And then you can start to bring your hands on top of your knees, rock your head side to side, and lengthen the spine as much as you can. If you want to close your eyes, go ahead and just try to feel your inhale and your exhale. Inhaling here. Exhaling. Hands together in front of your heart. Namaste. Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.